Complete WordPress beginner guide on how to build your first WordPress website with our 30+ HD video tutorials and free WP PDF guide. What you will learn in our free WP Learning 101 video tutorial course. The course will help you build a responsive, functional, professional WordPress website. Clear instructions for how to install WordPress in your cPanel. Step-by-step walkthrough video tutorials on how to install themes and plugins. And set up pages, posts and WordPress settings and all WordPress features. Install and configure WordPress with essential settings. Understand the essential features of WordPress CMS. The primary goal is to help you set up WordPress and start working with no previous knowledge and experience. Requirements. You need a PC or Mac. Internet connection. You don't need any experience with WordPress or with building a website. Here you will learn about how to create a WordPress website from scratch. This WordPress video tutorial course contains educational videos plus WordPress PDF for your learning purpose. WP Learning 101 video tutorial course materials are carefully created to help WordPress beginners to learn WordPress easily. Let's recap what you are going to learn in this WordPress video tutorial course for beginners. You will learn about how to install WordPress, how to install WordPress themes, how to install plugins, how to set up pages and posts, how to create custom navigation menus, how to configure WordPress settings, and so much more. Even if you have never heard of WordPress before, this course will ensure that you will learn everything by the end of the day. Once you complete this WordPress beginners course, you will not need to find any other tutorials to create a WordPress website. This course contains all the essential information that will help you understand better about WordPress. Who is this course for? The WordPress beginner that wants to learn how to build their first WordPress website. This course is for someone that wants to refresh their WordPress skills. Anyone who wants to start an online business with WordPress. So if you are ready to learn WordPress, enroll now.